Hey guys,
Pinoy Toy Geek
and Red 13, and we're back with another video.
Alright everybody, and today we're going to be talking about Mega Bloks, Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles, the classic party wagon. It has 531 pieces. You do get a metal shell, Michelangelo, you get April, and also Shredder. Take a look at this. This is a little bit different from the other party wagon that we've done before. There's a lot that can be done. Looking at the back of the box, you get to see all the action that can be had. The party wagon has multiple doors that can open, a turret that comes out, a place to put the skateboard. A lot of great things that you get to see in action at the end of the video.
It will be a great story if I catch you kicking the crap out of Shredder, Michelangelo.
You will need more than a van to defeat me, Turtles.
This Shredder dude's really gotta chill out. Classic Party Wagon by Mega Bloks TMNT Collectors definitely personifies turtle power. Search the streets, breaking only for battles when you build the most iconic vehicle from the 1987 series that faithfully captures the spirit of the turtles like no other collectible. The Classic Party Wagon features rolling wheels, operating doors and roof hatch, and a rocket launcher with 4 missiles. You also get 3 highly detailed micro action figures, Michelangelo, the Shredder, and April O'Neil, complete with removable accessories and signature weapons. Park the Classic Wagon in your collection, connect with the other TMNT collector sets to build your own master display.
Go for turtles. Shredder is destroying the city. I might be able to catch something interesting if you help me out. Wow, you got here really quick.
Hey babe, how's it going?
Michelangelo, where are the other turtles?
Yeah, they're hanging out. It's only Shredder anyway, so I could probably take them by myself.
I hope you're right.
It'll be fine. Mind if I grab a slice on the way?
You've gotta be kidding.
So, you have finally arrived.
What do you want, Metalhead?
For you both to witness the destruction of the city.
Looks like the fun's about to start.
Bummer. I didn't even get to finish my pizza. Alright, Blenderhead. Let's fight.
You've made a mistake showing up alone.
I can take you with one hand. Watch.
Always the fool.
April, I could use a little help.
No problem. Bombs away.
What? Why does it never go as planned?
Well, I think I got my story.
Far out. Go ahead and borrow the truck. I'm gonna skate around for a while. Cowabunga! Kids, don't try this at home. And just as a little frame of reference, Pinoy Toy Geek and I have brought in the new Party Wagon for you guys to check out. As you can see, it has a few different features. The door's different, it has a front windshield, and also the spring action on the tail, which can hurl the tires. Also, the turtles themselves are different in the style. As you can see, on these ones, they're a bit more blocky in a way, and you're going to see the difference between both sets here in a second. But also check out the size difference between this set and the classic Party Wagon. The classic one is a lot larger. Well, that's the whole set, everybody. Please leave a comment letting us know what you thought, and don't forget to hit subscribe to catch every episode of Minifigure Mania Daily.
Thank you for watching. This is Pinoy Toy Geek, and this is Red 13, and we'll see you next time.